guys? Today, back with my second video for today, right? Yeah, I think it's my second. Okay, so today I just bought these two new. As you can see, it's brand new because the tag's still on them, everything. This one's old, but I haven't opened it yet. I've never used it or looked what's inside. But we're gonna go find out. So So in the box of this, it came with this really pretty fan. And it's hard to see, but look. It's like a really pretty bird. And yeah. So I'm gonna start with the mini backpack. So I feel something mushy. Is it like a mochi? There's a mochi. It's a little hippo mochi. It's funny. Okay. There's a little putty. And there's one more thing. Oh, two more. Wait, I think two. Yeah, this is just the bags they always come with. Oh, there's a little Hatchimal. It's a little birdie. Okay. Should we check the front pocket? Let's go check the front pocket. There's a little cute little bracelet. Oh my god. Also, happy late Valentine's Day. There you go. Let's open up the black bag. Okay. There's these. They're like fidgets. I call them like fidget toys. So like you can like crack them and it sounds very satisfying. This one's pink and purple. Purple is a very common color with these. Oh, there's another. It is blue and purple. See, it's very common color. Oh, I think for Valentine's Day they put this in. Super cute. A little rubber band. Oh, they gave me one of those things. Let me open it, and inside, lip balm. One more thing, slime. It's like a little putty. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my god, it feels so good. It's more like slime instead of putty. Yeah, let's call it slime. It says, it's very gluey. Guess it's homemade. It's so very gluey. Look at my hands. Ugh. I guess the person just made it and sent it to me. One of my subscribers sent it to me, actually. One of my subscribers. So, if you'd like to subscribe to me, you can send me anything you want. I can also make you packs of stuff. So, like, I can make you a mochi pack. A couple mochis. I lost a couple of them, though. Because I'm moving. I can make you a slime pack. You can pick the colors. I can make you a fidget pack. I can make you a little baggy pack. Yeah. I can make you... I'll show you all my stuff that I've been using in videos. Oh, also, I just bought a monkey noodle fidget toy. It's pink. Here, oh my god, my hands. Here, I'll show you all the stuff I've been using in my videos. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Boom, bling, bling. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go quickly. I'm gonna go grab my monkey noodle. Oh my god, my fingers. Sticky. Sorry about the background noise. By the way, all this stuff I have, subscribers, like, followers, followers for my TikTok, send them to me, and subscribers. Also, I can do whatever you want. Like, here's my monkey noodle, by the way, pink, and someone just sent me a squishy. It was really good from TikTok. And, oh my god, my hands are, like, sticking together. Yeah, like, I can make you a pack. Just comment down below what you want. You can fill it anything. Like, I have this little hippo mochi. I can put that in. Put the monkey noodle in. And I can show it on my TikTok and my YouTube. I can show them, I can tell them your name and that you wanted me to order you this. Okay, look at this. I just love this. I haven't seen it before, but I fell in love with it. It's just so cute. Also, I just found a brand new package someone just sent me. I'm looking what's in it. It's quite cool. They just got me this. It's a lot of stuff. Oh, a little thingy from those burrito packs. I have one. There's this cute little bow that's like a fidget. It's a cute little bow. Wait. Thanks. Oh yeah, someone just sent me a box. My mom said she put it in here. Where did it go? Oh my god! They sent me a brand new phone case. Probably because I posted on my TikTok account that I just got a new phone today. It's a brand new phone case. Look, oh I love these types. I love those types. I'm gonna feel this putty for some reason. Oh, it just stuck to my hand like crazy. Oh my god. You guys. I just had a putty mistake. Anyways, I have 2 more Valentine's Day ones, so I'm just gonna try to wash this stuff off. Oh my god. See you guys in my next vid. Bye.